Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you one of my new favorite, well, it's not my new favorite, but it's one of my favorite products that I've been using from Clarins, and they actually did send this to me for free. So thank you, Clarins and Octoly, which is where I actually got this from. So if you guys want to know how you can get some free products, let me know and I'll make a video about it. But this is the Natural Lip Perfector. I'm filming on, I don't know if it's backwards. It used to be backwards when you would film on your, on the front facing camera. Anyway, this is on the front facing camera, so just ignore anything that might be weird. So this isn't a lip gloss necessarily, but it kind of is like a lip gloss. I did have it on earlier, but I took it off so I could show you guys. My lips are really dry right now, especially over here. It's kind of flaky and dry and gross. But it twists off like this. It's like a little tube, and I don't remember the shade that this is, so I'll have the shade named down below. I think it's like Rose or Rosy something or other or something like that. But it comes in like a slanted cushion applicator tip. And of course it's white when you first get it, but I've been using it. When you squeeze it, it has little holes that it comes out of. I'll show you guys. Wow, I've used quite a bit of this already, but it looks like that. So it has shea butter and vitamin F in it, and it's supposed to be nourishing and hydrating, and it's also supposed to have a plumping effect. So this is how it looks when you put it on. That's just a tiny bit. If you want to add more, looks like this. I think it's beautiful. It's really glossy, and it has just a very natural color. Like, it's not too crazy, and it also doesn't feel sticky. Like, there's no goop, no nothing there, but it's very smooth and buttery and nice. I think that the only downside to it would be if you wear your hair down and you don't like lip gloss in general, because realistically it will get stuck to your lips like any other glossy product. But I think that's the only thing. It's very comfortable. It doesn't feel heavy or anything like that. And I really do like this. If you don't know about Clarins, it is kind of a pricier brand, but it's a really good product. I think a lot of their products are plant-based, if not all. I'm not a Clarins expert, but I think that they are a really like plant-based brand. You can find their products at Ulta as well, and I'm not sure where else you can find them, but I will have the link for this product down below. If you guys have any questions about it, feel free to ask me, and that pretty much sums it up. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.